Want to make Bigfoot videos like this with me, Bigfoot? Stick around, mate. I'll show you how.
Here's a crash course on how to make the Bigfoot styled videos for TikTok using VO3 flow. ChatGPT, write a realistic Bigfoot description. Here's my prompt. It spits out a lot of this. This is what we're looking for. The generation prompt. Keep that in your notes right here. Never remove it. Next, here's this prompt. We want to write out different scenes. You can pause this video and read this if you want. The scenes weren't perfect, so I use this prompt to hone in on our scenes. Then it gave us the scenes we were looking for. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. You can quickly read these to test them out. From here, you'll paste in the scene above your description of Bigfoot. Then take it to VO3, create a new project, and paste it in to generate your scenes. And here's an example.
Woke up to a dingo trying to nick me flip-flops again. Classic Tuesday, mate.
If you want to learn more, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll keep making these videos to teach you guys how to do this crazy stuff. Peace. And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.